Haringkat kejing pedang skau bahaya iti Mondal ubalawan man penyeso Shaka Party National People's Party NPP mentakas ngisa jan u National President ke National People's Party ubadairu Menteri Rong Ba Kejala u Konrad Kesang Ma ulapen benaru ba u iti Mondal undai u Kyrtong ke NPP na Sapunri Phulbari Constituency na kebenta banyakun ya ke election arazar arpulai. U iti Mondal udairu ulam prang barem ke yang darbar thawan Kejala u MLA barem ke Sapunri Phulbari na ke Parti Kongres.
Actually, I have already told the way Conrad Sharma is working, especially on the stableness of the government, stability. That is the main reason, because stability again connects to everything. Everything in the sense the development of the people for the benefit of the people. Stability is the foremost conclusion. So that's the reason that the way he handled this conglomeration of 7 parties and see what is not possible in other parts of the country, that BJP and Congress, they are working together in Meghalaya. So that maybe because of some of the ideas, vision that everybody is following, so that everybody wants to join Conrad Sharma vis-a-vis NPP. No party is sinking ship unless, because we have seen many in the national scenario also, many parties which are wiped out, then they bounce back. It is not that it is a sinking party, so I am jumping the ship. It is not like that. And now, as I am no more in Congress, of course, quite long time, I have disassociated with Congress. So it will be their strategy how they will work. But I am saying the prospect of NPP is vast and more as far government is concerned.
The party and the way the election commission and the election procedures work is that once a particular candidate is elected for that term, till the end of the term, the person will be belonging to that particular political party. And as the term ends, the affiliation ends. And the only way for the concerned person to de-affiliate from the party is to either have the 2/3 majority and merge into another political party, which is a defection, and or the person has to resign, which some MLAs have resigned recently, and then they're free to join any other party. So that will be a decision that will have to be made by the particular individual. Now, what we have said is that when the 2023 elections are announced, as and when the nomination papers come out, it will be Mr. A.T. Mondal who will be filing the nomination as the NPP.